Moving on, viewers, today the Supreme Court is all set to hear the case, or rather the intervention application filed by Abhaya's parents in the top court, because Abhaya's parents believe that there is more than what meets the eye, and they have also alleged that there are several irregularities in the probe and demand further investigation. Here's what you can expect in the top court today.
After a Kolkata court sentenced Sanjay Roy to imprisonment till death in RG Kar murder case, the Supreme Court will take up the suo motu case related to RG Kar today. The Apex Court will also hear fresh intervention application filed by Abhaya's parents. Abhaya's parents are alleging inefficiency in the probe and seeking further investigation in the matter. On Tuesday, West Bengal LOP and BJP leader Suvendu Adhikari visited Abhaya's house.
पूरा परिवार का साथ बात हुआ। पिताजी माताजी को मैं नमन किया और उनका जो स्टैंड है कॉम्पेंसेशन रिफ्यूज करते हुए आगे का लड़ाई के लिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट हाई कोर्ट का जो उन्होंने कर रहा है उसको मैं कुर्निश करते हुए आगे का जो लीगली कानूनी लड़ाई होगा इसमें हम सब लोग इस परिवार का साथ रहेगा, एक कमिटमेंट के लिए मैं आया था।
BJP has slammed Mamata government for failing to give justice to Abhaya and demanded CM's resignation.
कोर्ट के जजमेंट के ऊपर हम कुछ नहीं कह सकते। हम चाह रहे थे कि हाईएस्ट पनिशमेंट हो, हाईएस्ट पनिशमेंट अभी नहीं हुआ। अब कोर्ट का वर्डिक्ट है, कोर्ट के खिलाफ तो हम बीइंग ए इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट, आई कांट से एनीथिंग।
This comes after Mamata government moved High Court seeking death penalty for Abhaya's rapist. Amid demands for death penalty for Sanjay Roy, all will be on top court today. What top court says will not only shape the outcome of this tragic case, but also serve as a defining moment in the fight for women's safety and justice.
We have Riyanka joining us live from the national capital. Good morning, Riyanka. What is the intervention application filed by Abhaya's parents, and if you could tell us what we can expect from the top court today?
Well, good morning to you, Deepak, as well as to our viewers. Now, we know that this very incident that shook the nation and the hearing has been already on in the Supreme Court since a very, very long time, since August, when this incident had happened at the RG Kar Hospital in Kolkata. And as per the latest developments that we had in fact seen, the verdict by the Shialda court that punished and found Sanjay Roy, the accused, guilty and punished him with a lifetime imprisonment, something that had gotten criticism from the side of the society, as well as he was asked to pay a sum of 50,000 rupees, and that is something that did not go very well with all the people fighting for the rights of women and for justice for Abhaya. Now, what we know so far, again, what is going to happen today is that the suo motu hearing in the Supreme Court that has been ongoing is going to be continued today, and this is quite significant given that the first verdict has already been out from the side of the Shialda court, and all eyes will be on the Supreme Court today. During the hearing, we are expecting that there will be conversations and observations happening on the side that the people, and there are petitions as well that somewhere challenge the order by the Shialda court that want death penalty for Sanjay Roy, the main accused in this case. And it has been very, very clear that today, whatever the hearing happens in the top court is somewhere going to be shaping the progress of this very case, the future prospects for the accused, as well as the future prospects for Abhaya's family and all those who have been fighting for the right of the victim. Now, we will be, of course, keeping a very, very close eye in this regard. We have also seen that the West Bengal government has appealed for a death penalty in this case. So several such developments will be taking with the top court today hearing the suo motu case, resuming the hearing in the suo motu case.
Right, Priyanka, thank you for joining me with those details.